Hey guys, Teams Random is live. $3 prizm cello break for tonight, 6:48, 10 seconds PM Melbourne time. Dice roll on the participants, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yoink. Copy. Teams 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Alrighty, so Coulson Wizards, Ferrera Cavs, Wayman Knicks, Van Houten Hawks, Hodgson Celtics, Raymond Dyer Magic, Tucci Rockets, Jack Gordon Hornets, Nathan Bulls, Nancy Breeze, Van Houten Suns, Tucci Thunder, Coulson Raptors, Raymond Dyer Clippers, Nancy Pacers, Chris Stewart Pelicans, Leah Pistons, Shane Overend Kings, Matt Druitt Bucks, Nancy Nets, Van Houten Wolves, Hodgson Sixers, Mick Ashton Lakers, Coulson Mavericks, Coulson Nuggets, Chris Stewart Heat, Nancy Spurs, Van Houten Blazers, Coulson Jazz, and Nancy Warriors. And that's it. I'll do a screenshot and yoink. That one goes there. And random is complete.